Hello everyone, Sufyan here. I'm a web developer and having great experience in WordPress plugin development. Welcome to part 3, the quickly start WordPress development series. In this video, we will learn how to create a shortcode in your plugin. And if you want to know how to create a table in a database when the plugin goes activate, or also how to add menu page of your plugin setting in WordPress admin panel, then check out the description of the links below. Let's first discuss what is a shortcode. A shortcode is a simple text with square brackets in WordPress, which lets you do nifty things with very little effort. Behind this simple text shortcode, whole story is running with embed files or objects or tons of complicated ugly code. I believe that shortcode is the main essential part of WordPress CMS, especially for the developers who wants to build a plugin. Shortcode are the gems because the user can easily use the functionality of your plugin by using simple shortcode very easily anywhere in the post, pages or widgets. And I really love this pillar of WordPress plugin development. So let's get a jump in the code. First we will call init hook add action. Here we will place init in first parameter, and on the second parameter we will call function name, which is Sufi shortcode underscore function. Now create a function Sufi shortcode function. Now in this function we will call add shortcode. Add shortcode takes two parameters. First is shortcode name and second is callback function. Here we can set whatever name we want. I set Sufi dash code, and on the second parameter Sufi underscore code function. Now create a function Sufi underscore code function. So now you can see this init callback function is Sufi shortcode function, and when the script run Sufi shortcode function run add shortcode and register our shortcode and call this function Sufi code function. Because it is a good practice to call your add shortcode in init hook. Init means initialization or starting. It fires after WordPress has finished loading but before any headers are sent. Important note here is init is useful for interacting get or post triggers. So like if your shortcode contains, for example, form submitting functionality, it would be great to be in init hook function. If you want to know more about add action function, please check out my second video. Okay, so your callback function accepts one parameter, which is attribute, which contains all attributes which you will pass in your shortcode. For example, Sufi dashcode, user ID, position. You can catch this shortcode in your callback function very easily by this attribute parameter. And WordPress provides the easy and super way to extract this parameter into variable by the help of PHP extract function and WordPress shortcode function. Let me show you. Also, the main purpose of this extracting parameters to set a default value of this parameter easily. Let me show you that extract function, in which we are calling shortcode function, and shortcode function takes two parameters. One is array and second is your attribute. You can change the name what you want, like I can call it Sufi. The best practice is to call the similar name, like we are getting here attributes, so it is the best way to call it. And in this array we are calling user ID. We are getting this user ID. I am going to write a ternary operator here for checking the attributes, like if the attribute user ID, if the user input the user ID in the shortcode, then get this, otherwise get current user ID. Okay, so what that mean? If, like for example, let me show you, if the user call this Shortcode user ID is equal to 54. Okay, so basically mean here is if user will pass user ID attribute, so in our function we will going to check if it's not empty, then user ID will get in this variable, and we easily can use this in variable like this because of extract and shortcode function. And second, let me show you, like for example, we have second attribute is position, and we are also going to check same like above. If position is not empty, then get the attribute of position, otherwise, so if the position is not empty, get the attributes of position, otherwise set your default, like I am setting here left. Okay, so here we can echo this user this position as well. Control S, save. Now let me show you how it will going to work. I am going to create a new page, add new page. Okay, testing shortcode. Here I am going to write Shortcode. One parameter is user ID, which is I am going to 54, and second parameter is position. I am going to write. Okay. Now I'm going to publishing view page. Oops. Let me check this plugin. This plugin is activated. Yeah. Plugin is activated. Refresh. Okay. Call to undefined function shortcode on line number 67. Line number 67. Oops, sorry, this is the shortcode underscore attribute function. So refresh. Yes. Now we are getting 54 and right. Recommend you to use ob underscore start and return ob get clean. Because of this ob start and ob get clean, it is a buffer cleaner and starter, so I hope we will not receive this. Let me reload this for a safe side. Okay, so now I'm going to write in this version 7 update. Now you can see we are not getting any error. Wow, now we are not getting that error because now we are using ob start and ob get clean. Okay, so let me show you one more thing. Echo h1 hello world echo user ID, user ID, yeah, or now let's check, refresh. Congratulations, now you have successfully rendered your results of shortcode on the front end, user ID, position, and what happen if I remove that, update the post page, let me refresh again. So as you can see, if I not giving any attribute in the shortcode, so it is getting the default user ID which we have set, that get current user ID. Congratulations, now you know how to create a shortcode in your plugin. You can build anything you want in your shortcode and provide your user the easy way to use your plugin core easily. Thank you for watching our video. If you didn't watch previous 2 videos on plugin development, check out those also and subscribe my channel, and comments below if you face any issue. I will like to read and reply to your comments. Please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.